Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can do the color correction in CapCut to get the best color for your video So here, what you need to do is just go to the adjust and then go to grabs and use this FS curve settings like this, and then go to sharpen and go to saturation and increase it to around 20. Then also increase the exposure. You can increase it based into your liking or depends on your video, and then go to temperature and adjust it to your liking. I'm going to go with -7. Then you are done, but you can also go to HSL to have a more stylish look and adjust each color of your video, the hue, saturation, and also the luminance. Okay, so that's a tips from me. I hope this will be helpful. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on thanks below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.